Hello everyone! Welcome to my mini channel. I will show you Disney Animators Collection princess figure today. I'm so excited. They look so beautiful. This collection is very glittery and shiny. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget subscribe. Let's start. First princess is Pocahontas. She had long black hair and glittery dress. She looks so beautiful. She is fantastic princess. I love so much. Second princess is Ariel. She is mermaid. She had red hair, very sweet dress. Third princess is Snow White. She is so pretty and she looks beautiful. The other princess is Tiana. She had green dress, very glittery. I know from Frog Prince story. Next princess is Rapunzel. Oh, look! Very long hair. She had very long hair and shiny pink dress. She looks so amazing. The other princess is Cinderella. Cinderella is very funny and pretty princess. So pretty. She had blue shiny dress. You look so funny. Do you know Beauty and the Beast story? The next princess is Belle. Belle look like shy. She is pretty. Next princess is Mulan. Mulan look beautiful. She is warrior. The other princess is Aurora. Do you know Aurora? Aurora is Sleeping Beauty. She's very pretty and she looks amazing. At the final princess is Jasmine. She also looks very beautiful like other girls. She is fantastic princess. Thank you so much for your watching. If you like this video, you can press like button and subscribe my channel. Bye. See you next video.